stop. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So to start off with this trade, I just went on the 4 hour. That's what I usually do. I start at the 4 hour, and then if I see some good 4 hour structure to go off of, I will then like check daily to find some levels, weekly, potentially. And yeah, just go 1 hour, 15 minute, blah blah blah. Anyways, so this I haven't done like a lecture or like I haven't taught you guys this yet. So this is just gonna be like the reason for taking the trade and just like a quick explanation. I will teach this in more detail later. Um, but yeah, anyways, this trade is a wick CE and it's a 4 hour wick CE. The reason this is a good wick is because we have this these highs right here, which have been swept. We have this high right here. We don't want that to get taken, which it didn't. Wait, let me just remove this. Hold on. Okay. And then we also engineered some liquidity right here, right below this CE of this wick. Now, why would I just take this short specifically? Well, we have some sell side down here, which would be my bias. I guess this would be the real sell side. Um, and if you go on the 1 hour and we mark our true open, hold on. Let's find the bitch. Oh my god, am I stupid? No. Yeah, our true open right there. We have our 4 hour wick CE right here. So the reason this is good is we have this 4 hour wick CE, we swept liquidity with this wick, and we engineered liquidity right below the CE of this wick. Something else to look at, like if you're gonna find some levels, is just, start marking out your other 4 hour levels. You can go like daily. Look, okay, we're inside this daily order block. So we're gonna look for sells, Weekly, same thing. You just want as many confluences as possible to find that one specific level. Okay, so we're above our true open for Thursday, which is the midnight opening candle. And what that tells us is look for shorts, essentially, if you got a bearish bias, which we do because we have the sell side down here, right? So let's just try to not fuck this up. Right, okay. Where? Let me check. Market open. Market open. Right there. I think we held this through market open, so we got tagged in before market open, like very soon. And this is also very good. Like we're engineering these equal highs, which is just giving us more confidence to sweep it and go down. There you go. We tap into this. I signaled the short at like 210. The wick exactly is 1050, but you gotta account for like spread and tomfoolery and fuckery and that shit. And with a 2 point stop loss, targeting true day open, that's a 25 RR. Oh my god, that's so small. Yeah, so letting this play out, we see it starts getting a reaction and then market opens and it has a like a wick up, if I remember correctly. Yeah, right here, this wick. No worries though. I think at market open I put my stop loss to break even, but like it's 2 points, so whatever. And then yeah, smashed the TP. I've seen like this is the way I've been looking at price for months and months. and I see these levels getting ticked all the time, and I just thought I have to use this. This is why, like, you can be profitable with almost any strategy. You can be profitable with trend lines, support and resistance, blah blah blah. But the reason you join this mentorship is because you want more, I'm assuming. You want more, you want to be precise, you want these sniper entries. And when you start looking at price like this, I mean, you can't fucking lose, because if you do this consistently, like, you can you can lose 9 out of 10 times and still be super profitable. So, obviously we don't want to lose 9 out of 10 times. We want to do this consistently, but you get the point. So, yeah, that was pretty much it, I think. After this, this is probably gonna be the last, like, trade breakdown before I start actually teaching these concepts, and just you know, I'm gonna go through, like, concept for concept in, like, separate videos, one video for each concept, or like each PD array, blah blah blah, whatever you want to call it. And then the trade breakdowns is just me putting it all together into one trade, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna start pumping out some videos more frequently. I finally figured out this fucking QuickTime player, so hopefully this quality is a bit better than the fucking OBS bullshit. Yeah.